How to apply for a Savings Bank of America account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in bankofamerica.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Bank of America. Now over here you'll see the option of open an account. You have to click on that option. Whether you are managing money for yourself, your family, or your business, Bank of America has got you covered with a variety of checking and savings account and credit cards. Click on this option Checking and Savings, get started. As you want to create savings account, click on this option of savings given over here. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here you will see this option Open a Savings Account, click on it. You are applying for Bank of America Advantage Savings. If you have offer code, you can check in for this option. Likewise, click on the option of Go to Application. There are 4 steps to be completed to create your savings account. First, you have to provide your information and then set up your account. Likewise, go through the terms and conditions and finally review and submit your form. Heading towards very first step, you have to fill all these, provide your personal details, residency, contact info, employment and finances. Once you fill all these, scroll all the way down and click on Continue. Heading towards next step, you have to set up your account. Once you do that, you have to go through the terms and conditions of Bank of America and accept it. And finally, you have to review and submit your form. With that, your account will be created. So this way, you can easily apply for a Bank of America savings account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.